I've got a surprise for you, actually 3 surprises for you. It's something beautiful, colorful and joyful to wear. These ones. In 3 colors. Blue, light blue, pink, and black. And it's all transparent. Again, just like this one. It's just in a different pattern, in a different style. And I've been knitting this with a bigger hook than this. So, as you can see, the loops are much more visible. So anything you wear underneath is more visible than this one, which I'm wearing now. This is amazing. I love this one. So soft, and the colors are just so fantastic. And the black contrast, it's also so fantastic, so fun to wear. I'm going to wear after this video. After this video, I'm going to wear each of these as a try and haul, as a special surprise for you. This is crop top, a bit shorter than the other 2. This is amazing. This is also a crop top, but a bit lower, a bit, but it's sexy too. It's fantastic. I love it. I love the color, and I love the feel of the yarn. It's so plushy, so soft against the skin. And the black, it's fantastic. Look at this. It's just fantastic. It's also crop top. It's a little bit slippery too. Nutty clothing. So stay tuned and watch my other 2 videos where I actually wear each one of these for you. Which one is your favorite? Please write in the comments. By the way, I'd like to ask you if I should color my hair in blonde. As you can see, my roots are growing. I was thinking about growing it longer so I have like the look of highlights, but on the other hand I thought maybe I look better with refreshed roots, with just all blonde hair rather than just a tiny bit of contrast with my own hair. So please write in the comment what would you suggest. And for now, enjoy these in my next couple of videos.